scissors on the ground. The makeup box on the ground. You know, sit now. Okay. So I'm mad right there, you cut me and find a blood in me, I'm mad right now. I'm so fucking upset right now. I said I got my bed, I can't make me upset, man, because the soap that's supposed to be in the bag. I know the right soap in the bag. I come home and bathe and sit. I feel bathe, go to get food and wash my skin and bathe. When I drink juice for the summertime and I drink anything, I drink the mango. Come really drink juice. I'm pissed off. She know me not buy that kind of soap and it's like, maybe she never have the other soap and she just put the other one in the bag and give me. I never wanted me reach home. Say the soap are the wrong soap and know say all this stuff have to ship off for morning. You know? And the rest of the same soap I have, I sell them today before I left the house when people come pick up cream today. And it's like piss me off. Because you're like, no, that I never buy the other one. It's the other one more want. Not that. It's just almost the same thing but the other one is white. You understand? And she put the wrong one. A whole dozen of the wrong one. Now I don't want my customer to be mad at me now. I'm saying extra one of them. Because guess what? It's not the size. It's the same price, but the size is smaller. So I'm saying more. And hopefully good to them like you and hopefully no problem, you know? Mess up my fucking business. Can't get a piece in this ras, me tell you. You know? And some of them come and run off them stinking mouth and I put crying and eat and thing. Like nobody business with them. Come off my fucking page and leave me alone. I'm going to run no one sitting and leave me alone. I bother nobody? Shit, man. I'm wicked and stay and turn, but I'm wicked and turn, but I'm wicked and come in and get all them cream and sitting ready and get them set out in the kitchen there. So what's the name? Get up in the morning, just go carry them, go ship them. You done set them up already, mix them up. What forget extra strength, done set them up and wash them off, bathe and all and sitting there already. I plan to come back for you, but I love you because sometimes I get prepared no mind time upon the ship, I get prepared no mind and all them shit sometimes. Because sometimes you pay your mind, you out on the road and bust them chop off your fucking head. And I said, I can't find my one big jar I have. When I put juice and sit in, I don't know where this appears. When I see it, I don't see it again. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. Good night, my love. I don't know. Jamaica, me come from. Still watch that. Jamaica, me come from, I'm going to damn. This is the natural mango juice. So what the summer do to you? Summertime. Summertime, my love. I'll zip my pants are fat long ago. Far long ago. We get burned. See this part where they come out so good until we can't cream no more. Because I come off wash out the makeup and I still put this on my eyes. I take big risks because like I itch the same way. too. Love you too. Me hold off like a no idiot. Emma watch me, watch me. No, no, why you never watch me? Emma sit on every day and Emma chat me. Emma wish for me fall down. And why use your teeth, your music, and make you fall down? Okay, lovebird, what's going on here? The glamour is over, honey. The glamour is over. The glamour come and the glamour go. We say, hello, hi. What? Sky juice. Sky juice. Summer now, you know. And then yeah, summertime come. You want to put me out with this a little bit too sweet. You want to make it more fresh. I'm going to do nothing too sweet. I put more. That's why I put so much ice tonight. I remember when I used to do this a lot when I buy Vinci boy. You used to look at me like I'm nuts. Like, damn, why you never put in a small glass, you know? They always say that. So, I'm going to put on the AC. It isn't so hot, but... Oh. You know, for me, I sit in my mind, pan this, I sit here. I have the food, but by the time I drink this, I'm not going to want no food. So, cheers, I'm going to the food first, I'm going to juice first. I'm doing this. Boy. Ah, can't put my head. Damn. Can't put my brain, man. Some of them come from my video, me a joke with Manhattan today. And look on the video and I'll cry. Bitch, go cry somewhere else. You're not thinking mama will push you out. Go cry somewhere else. Why you cry for me for? Look at it into me. They never know when you make joke and be a comedian. Them things say, you know, if you do that, you're mad. You're mad. So go tell all the people in BT say they're mad. Go tell all the people in the crazy shit in the movie, make them laugh when the parents when they go movie theater, go watch. Go tell them say they're mad. No come tell me. Go tell Martin Lawrence say mad. No come tell me. Go tell them no nasty drunk or what, you know. Oh no. Oh no. Enough juice never come to the small straw, the bigger straw. Draw them small inside. Yeah, could you cool down? That's how you do, okay? You don't watch nobody. Buy like $1 juice in the corner store for $1, like a bottle of juice. Buy all this shit here, like $2 or something. Buy a bag of ice, cut off one of them if you can't find nothing. That will cool your ass down, right in the street while they're walking outside. Hello? Yo, if I'm going outside tomorrow at this, me I walk with, you know. I can get more at your city. Let me respond to people. Yeah, yes, man. I love it too, babe. T, love it too. T, chilling money. Yeah. Drinking and cool on Kenya. Yeah. Fucking hateful bitches, them. I hate all them fucking stupid. You know, I don't want to cuss all the time. But I look at some of the remarks and some of them left. You have to say to yourself, they want to say you're out of your mind or they out of their mind. Because for a person say you're out of your mind, you know, them a watch you and waste them precious time for watch you. Come up on your line where you there. You know the part for them line, you know. Yeah. Here it comes. And then don't know, then come criticize you. Come on. Criticize my life, man. Make you sit down in here and dead, you know. Make you sit down in here and bore myself every day. Put it on my head. And this and that they want say this. And that and sit down in here and pine on myself. Hell fucking no. And that what I want. It's not gonna happen. In this country here, everything you do is a problem. Everything you do is a problem. I mean, your work have a problem. Your pay rent is a problem. Your live is a problem. Where is a problem. So if you get up every day, you want to be happy. Because, I mean, every day is a problem. Stacey. I'm not paying them my sis. Let's talk with them stay, no? Let's talk with them stay, mama. Or them stupid. I am not terrible, girl. I'm sorry. Belle, I'm not terrible, honey. I'm good. I'm the way God made me to be. The way I want to be. The way I'm supposed to be. Can't be like some of y'all. Some of y'all don't have nothing to say until something goes in your throat. Not me, honey. America, me there. One plane from Jamaica straight to America. I don't see why that change because I'm going to want a whole plane. When I broke up in the sky, when it fly, because of that, I'm going to change. I'm coming. Hell no. Jamaica, my hometown. Big up Yardie. Yes, Sky Juice, man. Big up yourself always. You see me, dog? Yeah. Keep your body dehydrate. Hydrate before you dehydrate. Make them sit down there, no? Make them stay there. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. You don't walk to the body, I shall not have. Just want to know, anybody that call me house, any boy, any girl where look me or anybody thinks me I'm going to go with them, and I'm going to go with not a soul. I make so much promises till I'm tired. I don't like to lie to people. Sometimes I tell people, yes, come on and feel it with me. I'm not going to with nobody. Me. I'm going to with a soul. Not a soul I'm not going to with. Not a mother's skull. Me yet, somebody who came up and date and can't go somewhere and go with them. Me yet. I'm going to tell me yes, come on and feel bad. I'm not going to with nobody. Me. Call me the day when they're ready and I'm going to say, no, I'm busy, I got something to do, I'm so sorry, man. I'm not going nowhere. Me not get up going nowhere if I go eat no food when I'm hungry. If nobody care, I'm going to buy me food and yam right in my yard. I could have set up till I set up on my own self. Can't catch me. Because I'm no wicked. Someone no wicked and going around and set up people and get them murder and take them a joke. I want to sit down in a group. I want to sit down and talk of murder people. Or if kill them and all them things there. You know what I mean? Set them up. I want to sit down and laugh about it. And this one giggle. And someone a nasty crutches girl. We have mother, have sister, have brother, have children. I want to farm into this group. I want to hear people are planning for murder people. I want to sit down there and laugh because it's like a joke on this thing. People life don't mean nothing to uno. But let me tell you something. When you kill other people, one day you must friggin' die too. I say when you set up other people, no so uno won't belong around the corner. You hear me? Because what goes around must comes around. So when you sit down and a plan for set up people and kill them and when they can't do man and this and that, now catch me because I'm not going to wait nobody. I get my food and sitting by night I come right to my house. No boy, no girl can't carry me on date, can't carry me go a club, can't carry me nowhere go buy me food and sit down on table with me. Not me, unless I'm a dumb bitch. I will tell her yes. That doesn't mean to me I'm going to wait. Me not go nowhere. Nowhere. So no matter who used to come by and say this and say that, me not pay them no mind. 1, 2, 3. Not me, baby. 1, 2, 3. Not me. Got it. If you tell us I work with the Holy Spirit, I'm in a dumb. So when I come look a pretty face and I smell not going that, me not look no man, me not look no woman, me not look nobody. So therefore no can't catch me. Because me buy my own food, me buy my own sit and me dry in my house and me turn me there. You understand me? Me come out of war, out of trouble. Why you take a avenue when they want to murder me and people like this and bad mind. I'm just open coming on nobody for there for me. When me over on the side now, me locked in with security there. Alright, and like Jay say, you live your son till the day you're dead if you choose to. It's up to you. Alright? So therefore then nobody can carry me wake up by me not go sit down with them because me not take up myself go to one place go get up make somebody from Facebook and me no know because they might say 1 and 2 word to me and hey goody and it's all good and me go pick up myself and yeah man meet up with man no problem man we can go so and go so and me go sit down with you in a restaurant and buy food and you buy food like say me hungry and me no hungry and me know if you cook big pot of food me know if you cook big pot of food in my yard me not feel left my yard. I go sit down when you come buy me food. I'm going to tell somebody, say, man, me at this place. Me at that place. Meet me there so. You understand? You walk out with the person, somebody just walk up to you and shoot in your fucking head. The person, nah, nothing to do with you, you know. Remember, they nah, nothing with you, walking out with you when that happen. That's all going to come out of it. Want to be wise. Time for no wise up now and realize what really take place and some serious shit that take place on the internet, yeah, where people are set up people and then getting wiped out. Like with the white butter pan bread. People have no respect for your life, nor your children's life anymore. So someone a young girl no company pick up man and skin no teeth and they sit one like a pretty face. Yeah man, this and that. And run gun and snuff and stuff no out. Take out no organ and all them shit and sell them. Let me tell you something. You see me? Forest me go me talk with know me joke with me love God and God know me love the world. I'm just want to leave a mark behind when me gone. But God will make me live till me old and shrivel before me dead. Because him show me that long time. But you see, far as you catch me, you can't catch me. Because someone of the right a smile in your face, step on the line, and someone of the bitches, and sit down and plan how to kill, and a laugh to yourself, or WhatsApp, or this and that, and attack. But let me tell you something, God is watching, and I can't say all of you. You can't catch Olivet, because Olivet now go away with none of you. Me never go Hollywood, me now go nowhere. If you don't think so now catch me in a club, every club me now go. Me left the music behind, I left everything behind. Because my life is more important. Me can't go in a church go sing for God. Me can't go anywhere and do me like sitting there. Me not feel out there like that. Because me not planning to be out there neither like that. Because me know wicked people don't know a plan for me. But God show me what me I am so no. Me so no. And some of the boy come here and go on like you know this and that and me I watch you know. Good day this, good day that me know in and me know a trap here set my youth. Yeah, you may but I can't get a trap because you see me not thirsty for food and me not look none. Me run me little joke them and that's it. Me not look not a soul. Move gingy fly, move, can me just dead. Juice now come to a shit, man. Go to a serious thing. Boy, come pick you up and talk about him, love you, and you look good in a club, you're going to meet him and know nothing about him. Do not go nowhere. Find yourself and start feeling tipsy. And you don't feel right on somebody, and you don't get a drink and you start. You like somebody that went out the window lock. Come have some cardboard sitting on the window of the AC there, so I notice when I get up man, the water that's so tear down. The water that's so tear down from the outside, like them things are window on the inside behind the cardboard. Look outside, but window is in the inside, no stupid ass. Yes, ma'am. So at this time, I don't answer phone at this time now. Then I was ever call me, never want me. Tell me say, hang up after me answer phone. I don't really have time to stalk people and bother people, no wicked old murderer. I don't know where I go with you. You can't catch me. I have to come to my house, come to you and catch me. Because I know I steer. Finding out. Wicked. Very wicked. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
You just called me, love. You're the one that just called me, ma'am. Okay. Same person I called her last night, but this must be a wrong number. We don't call it, sorry, must be a wrong number. You know you call, make sure black number right now. Because I know you know, so you call me. Damn shit. And the fucking same person I call, they say the same voice. Same thing. They call every time for a different number. They can't say, me come and try to stop me. Can't make me be in praise. Bad people. Save. And then call back again, I know exactly who it is. Bad people. Save. You save the black people now. After you save it now, then you can go back in it and then you can put eject all calls from this number. Good. Yeah. Yeah man, them have some bad way about them. You know, them plan up, and when them plan up, you know, and one somebody plan up or two somebody plan up, a whole heap of them plan up, a whole group of them plan up to kill you, for murder you. And when them do that, no, them not letting you know. They laugh with you, goody, wagwan, goody, wagwan over there, where you cook, where you do, you know? And I plan for every step of the way if it's where you do. And when I know say you have childrens, I know say your children depend on you, they don't care. Them still sit down and plan in a group. You think Facebook are nice sitting? Eh? They sitting and come like a organized. You think I easy sitting? YouTube, Facebook and all them sitting and you think I easy sitting and do a lot of wickedness. Understand? I think a joke and a laugh. It's not funny when you have your children and your family. It's not funny. So some of you girls must be very careful when you come on here. You what? Yeah. Listen. The blood of Jesus always gonna cover you, but you cannot put your life in danger and talk about blood of Jesus. That's number one. You can't put your life in danger and say don't talk about the blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus I warn you from before, so I'm warn me, I warn you know. To let you know when you get up and go a club and on an Indian and just up and feel good or whatever and get all tipsy. Be careful what you all doing. Because it's always another eyes out there watching you. When you think it's just you and your friend them out there, sometimes you see them friend them where you drive with in a car and go with. Them is planning in everything to finish you off. So when you all going out there and realize you might not be coming back, it may be the last time you see your family or your children. Now this is not a joke. And if you all think this is a joke, you're going to wait and you're going to see what happened. It's been happening already. You understand me? You all need to wake up and say that it's a new thing they're doing. It's a new shit them doing. And it coming like it's just like a movie them in. Them do it just for fun and to brag and to show off. And your life is gone. You understand me? You're gone forever. You'll never come back again. You don't realize. When people are taking a joke, it's not funny. You have your children you have to send go school. Your children with your love and all they sitting there. You understand? You send your children go school and sit in your gun. You go hang out next to you, nobody know where you're there. You don't come back home to your kids. Many women lose like that and then people left behind. You all stop taking a make joke. Stop group up with people on Facebook when I know and get in a group because when I do shit I want to get involved when you end up go to prison, when you need to go to prison because I like to group up too much. This whole group and this and another group like we are watching and some different kind of group for them put in a. And other people was sending me a lot of text today if you've seen sex movie going around with her, it's not her. Because them have a new thing going around where they make it like say you have sex tape out there. You understand? They're going to put somebody else's body and then put your name on it and put something so they can't see the face. You know? And people are going to think, yeah, you out there do them stuff there. So me hear that the latest thing them doing or the hackers them doing now. You understand me? And make it seem like it's a Olivet be popular now and make a video and make it kind of look like a me. Some kind of sex tape and sitting, but you won't see the face. And but more have it and say I made this and that and all them something. The woman say that them I don't know. So if you see it on there, Olivet, it's not me. You know, and send this to all your friends and let them know what they are doing. Then going to the extent. After what, they couldn't even go on my page. You go to my page right now, you see 7,000 more people gone. Just like that. I said them do all the while. And they come right back up, gone right back down. Them just do what they want. But me not follow it up. Because I don't see a social media. As long as me make a little money, can't eat, that's what matter. Number now do nothing for me. I want me to eat, I do something for me. You understand me? You understand me? A serious thing, man. It's the end of the day we can laugh and we can talk a lot of crap and just to make life go by. I mean, what else you gonna do? I'm a single person, right? I mean, I really have nobody in my life sexually. I'm not looking. I've been through hell, I've been through ups and downs, and I just need some time for myself. So I can think for myself and be happy with myself. I can sleep with myself and wake up with myself. All these years I've been running, I live with my boyfriend for so long, much years. I go laundry, I wash him clothes, I cook, I kill out myself day and night back at him. You know, I'm coming to bed now by 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, wake up, because sometimes I reach work by 5. By 4 again, me up, because that's the time when I'm up and all them shit there. Me tired of that. Want some time, me ask God to help me. So I could help to get some rest and some peace by myself. I know God opened a way for me. I now get up and go up and with a man out the door, run up and on a party and all them. So I tap got party much years from 2001. I put foot in a party. I'm in a drink alcohol. You know what I mean? I come and joke and go on like a madness and free myself. Because me, I'm not really gone away. And they run a body and I just make a little happiness and make myself laugh. I laugh so till I cry sometimes. I cry for my own self. It's funny. You know, but that's what life is. You got to appreciate life, love life, and stop doing that, man. You know what I mean? People don't care about you, man. Especially some of these young people, and even old people are doing it. And some young ratted people are kill people. And I think a joke, or some young people are doing it too. And even like some old people, old grandpa, young people, them, young girls, young boys, young people, them. You wouldn't believe a young people are kill people, so. I mean, seriously. I mean, I don't know where so much gun come from in this country. I don't know how them have them and so much weapon. Them have gun in their hand coming like a what you call it? Like a ATM card. We want to call it a metro piece. Metro pieces. When you go on the train, man, you swipe your card on the subway, they have gun like that. You just swipe it. Them don't care. And you wonder how them come like say they have license to carry that shit away. Them just have it like it's nothing. And you open your mouth, them take your out. Pam, straight in you. People have to realize how serious this thing is right now and take it serious with your children. Raise your children right, your boys and your girls. Some of y'all parents grew up in a gangster when they been like that all the time and don't have much weapon on the children. You understand? And it's good that when they can defend themselves. But don't have it around them in a way of teaching them badness. If they teach them to defend themselves, that's one thing. You know, because your children have to learn to defend. Because if a war come tomorrow and people decide to kill you, if you can't defend yourself. But don't teach them to the bad things with it. You know what I mean? Don't teach them. Because some of these kids, their parents never teach them to use it. The parents have nothing to do. They just go out there and find themselves in these whole heap of people gang up together and do all these kind of things. I mean, stop trusting people in your life. People don't care about you, my girl. No matter how pretty you want to be, you're pretty, you have your pretty ear, pretty shoes, whatever. They don't care about that. They will look upon it and like, yeah, that's the time they really want to scale you down. That's the time they really want to put you down. You know what I mean? When you look good, that's the time they really want to sink you 6 foot under. Especially if they might try to talk to you and you do not want to talk to the person. Believe that it's not over, bitch. I'm going to come back and get you. You know what I mean? You want to talk off your mouth ass, bitch? Wait, I'm going to see you. I'm going to see you. Word, I'm going to see you. You know what I mean? And this kind of thing. This world is upside down. And people, when we come out and laugh and joke, some of them say me alone or take me a this, me that. But I'm in a business. The end of the day, I'm happy with myself. The end of the day, I'm not hurting anybody's children. I'm not hurting anyone. The end of the day is the fact that there's a living God. And I always remind to people, there's a God. No matter how sinful you are, remember there's a God. You understand? But you cannot have your young girl or you're interested in your young children or young boys and just let them loose in the street like that. You know? Without helping them. You know? Help them. Try to teach them the right way. If they don't want to go the right way, they go the wrong way. When they fall in a problem, that's for them business. But at least try to help them. You understand? But you all need to stop trusting these people. Come on this Facebook thing and spread out and do your picture every day on Instagram and think all is well. All is not well. Be careful where you go. Where you go hang out in the night when you left your house to go back to your house, because it's not a sure thing that you're going to go back. Stop trusting people. Stop trusting people. The more you trust people, the more they let you down. The more you trust people, the more they let you down. And me learn that. Alright? You know how much death threat me get? You know how much death threat them fucker come threat me so much time on Facebook, yeah? Bam, bam, bam. Shot in your head, you're done. Bam, bam, bam. 1, 2, 3, you're done. Somebody might make up sign with the other people who have plan to kill me. I put on them number and I put on this. Me I watch all we are going to pay and I don't to nobody. I just report it to Facebook so Facebook will take a note of it. And then me block them. Right? It's not funny when somebody are threatening your life, and it's not funny when you have your young girl pitney out late out at night after hours, you don't know which part you there. And a girl pitney. Even boy pitney. Sometimes I worry about my son, so when I call my mommy, you're worried about this and that. I say, son, you better listen to me. When I talk, listen. I don't care if you want to cuss me, you cuss me. And be mad at me, at least me tell you the truth. At least me tell you the truth. Because when I used to hold your belly and tie your belly, and I used to hold your belly and tie your belly, and I used to sit in that. You know what I mean? Many women I know me goody them call me and say, goody them kill me son. Goody when me go pee all the whole of me inside I come out. The whole of me inside, me feel my finger push back me inside when me go pee. The whole of me woman come out of me because they shot me son and kill me son. The pain is unbearable when me pee. The whole of me inside, me use my finger push back me inside and my whole I push it back up in there. When my flesh, all the body part come out. Coming through, I use my finger and push it back up. So it's not easy sitting in me and talk about when somebody take what the person, your child, will push up in 9 months of your love, or even take you away from your children them. You're gone, everybody come out. Some of them dressed like a big fashion show them I go. For funeral come, you're gone on the earth. That's it, you're gone. That's it. It was just here the other day, and now you're gone because of stupidness. Because of stupidness. When I come on here and joke with the people to enlighten their spirit and make them feel good. You know? Sometimes you feel down and you're just bored and depressed. You just want to feel happy and take a little laugh. Because laugh does a lot for your heart. You can't stop it from getting a heart attack. I don't care about the Eden them who want to come over here. The wicked one them who want to come bring me down. Because they are the part of the one that want to see you kill and skin you. They would love to see people kill you and skin you alive. Because they have wicked mind. Some of these people are bad-minded. They envy. They look at you and say you're ugly and say you look bad. But at least you can show you look in a real life. Many of them can't come on camera like me and cuss me, you know, and call me this and call me that. Then cannot even come on camera down them bad. Or them stay bad. Them situation and them body and how them live is worse. 10 times worse. Some of them might make 3 times the size of me, but them are cuss me and this and that and all kind of stuff, kill up themselves. The only reason why somebody kill up themselves is because they're not happy with themselves. You cannot be killing up yourself over somebody else, don't pan somebody, so if you're happy with yourself. You cannot. You're going to have time for yourself. You're not going to have no time for that. You understand? Unless you're not happy with yourself, you don't like yourself, of course you're going to find some kind of fault. You don't like yourself. So you're going to be happy. How are you going to wish somebody else live? Somebody don't them have dark spirit, them inside dark. Nothing can help them. Them born dark. Them born pure black in them eye. No white in them eye, you know. Some of them have no white in them eye. Pure black. Sometimes you can see like a white in the eye. Next time you see change the one in the eye turn black. A demons them. When you're talking to somebody, and if you're talking about something real, and you look them straight in the eye, and you talk to them, and you see them, I look down so. I know good smarty. When somebody look back at you and you talk and look back straight back in your eye, I look down and ground when you talk, I look down. I damn hypocrite. You can't look up, you look down. You understand me? So I tell you about the stacking. I come by and start call my phone. I don't answer no more and I start them and start me. And nobody now go call and buy nothing so late. No one else. I don't answer nothing. But then still they call. I bet I see him number, I just... I want different number this. I don't answer, man. I don't answer, man. They still ring the phone and call, waste them time, man. I tell the evil people, man. When they see they call and kill out themselves. Too evil. You understand me? Listen. Stinking prick ass. Whatever you want to be. Every time you come to stop me, you want, why is she talking about? I don't understand. Well, come off of the page. I mean, how you going to be somewhere somebody not speaking English, you don't understand, you still itch up the axe what she has to stop asking people and come off your dirty blood clot murderer. Come off. Come on, man. Get people pissed off sometimes. You come for you. What she saying? What she saying? Every friggin' day. You know, if you can't understand, just go on. Gosh. I must see him look a white drunk or they live in here. Can I come on a different profile? Different black person same time over and say the same thing every minute. Every time and they still come back again. Come on, come off of the page. If I'm speaking, I can't speak English, obviously. Go. Because you cannot understand. And if you can't understand why you wasting the time, sit down and look and complain. Just go on, no? If me I try fasting people business and speak English or Spanish, I say, make you understand. And if I talk me fasting and something, make you understand what I say. Me go on. Because me can't fast, because I don't know what I'm saying. Come on, man. Stop making this shit difficult, man. Good day, they will freaking carry a party and them have one new thing, drop stuff in your drink. You understand? Even if you drink soda or Red Bull, then drop it in the gear. So just be careful. That's all me I say. The world is not like how it used to be no more. We're coming to the bottom where people are slay people like crazy. It's not like how it used to be no more. You don't have that much freedom like you used to no more. Look, me go to the public park and the man I get mad. But when I'm in the public park, when I do me sitting on the table. I mean, the world is not like how it used to be. Look at the time outside how everything changed. Now look at fun and enjoyment even out upon the road no more. You go up on the road, you don't want to see somebody say, Mickey is still too. I have Mickey's coming up. People are watching from, we don't know who is who. You know what I mean? And some of them is not nice. Then they're on the train, then they're all over just looking for trouble. Looking for trouble. Just haunting like a spirit looking for trouble. And a joke thing, man. Things are not like how it used to be. You know I mean? In Jamaica, they would have like a house up in the house, up in the bush there. And you look at something, you have to thank God when you have that. Some people say Jamaica dangerous to no one go to Jamaica. But up your house. You're up at your place where people in a family and them run, one big girl, family and everybody run. You can't trust some of them. But you lock up a little place and go to your bed. Up here, so, you're just there, in the cold, at you come out your work, you go back in, it just come like one big prison. And the worst, one day you could get more fun out of New York. No, different. And I like that again. It's different now, man. And I like that again. It's different now. A whole bunch of wicked people with wicked thought, wicked mind. Some of them all have AIDS, then take a gear, they not tell you nothing. They're just wicked. They just have wicked ways. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I understand too. You know what I mean? Because I notice a lot of people they have problems and it's like they want to take it out upon me and I don't do them nothing. I don't do them nothing at all. So I don't know why they want to take it out upon me. I have many of my goodies, them call me and tell me, Goody, you know, so my husband give me AIDS. You know what I mean? A lot of them good goodies. You know what I mean? I don't call people names, so I say the story. Then give them it. Meet them nice, and good, and the man just come and give me ears just like that. You know what I mean? Just like that. And me think they never tell me nothing. Me think everything alright. People are wicked out there. They're very wicked. And be careful going to party. Making a young daughter, I just obsessed, I go with friends, I go party and all them shit. They shut that shit down. You're not gonna party up in here, coming on 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock a morning. You're a young woman, 16, 17-year-old. Where you do a certain time out of your house. You're not supposed to be out of your house. You're 16, 17-year-old, go read a fucking book or read the Bible and go to your bed. You know, the things sound big because I grow like a breast and I get like a period and sit in the field sound big. Fucking go to your bed, go sleep, my girl. You're 15, 16, 17-year-old. Yeah, dress up to go party. I go party. No, man, leave that shit alone, man. Go to your bed. The street is not like how it used to be no more. I keep telling you, think a joke. Thank God to have the internet and you can put on a look of clothes and a look of party in a house. And people like on look of video and them same way. Up and down on the road, They can't trust nobody. It's dangerous. Once you see it get dark and you're out on the road, it's on you. Believe, remember what I tell you, it's on you. It's on you, yo. As a woman, you can't even put on, you can't even have a dress will stop at your legs or anything at a certain time of night to walk out. All kind of man a blow think you're or stop if you or. Some of them a walk, approach up to you, all kind of madness I got there in later night time. You can't walk on road later night time no more like one time, man. One time you could have walk anytime on New York Street. Not anymore. You have to watch your head back, you have to watch this so, you have to this so. When you want excitement, fight go over this, so this one a jump out of this, so take care of this so. It's a whole thing. When I'm in my bed, me want some people, some boy come out there so I argue with the girl over the building over there so I know they want to fix, messed up the girl and all them something there. A whole bunch of the man them take on to the girl and walk back and forth and come and back and forth and want to get her and me they ride to my window and watch all that shit. And like one time, serious out there. People just want to see you die and take it make nothing. Take it make nothing, goody. People will watch you die and they laugh like it's a comedy club. Alright? And then all sit down and chat and wait and wait and wait and then mix up and blend and mix up and blend. The end of the day, nothing come out of your whole crew of them. You understand me? The end of the day, you're just gone. All you can hear this or that, and the whole thing choo. So I'm just telling you straight. From my experience, you gotta show me, I'm telling you right now, be careful out there at night. Because when the night come down, that's when Satan fully take charge of him night. The day is for God, which is the light, and the dark is for the devil. So that's why you find more people go to club at night, drink more at night, do all kind of more things at night. Murder, sex, rape, everything. Everything mostly goes on at night. Because that's the time. It's the devil time. It's dark. You know? That's his time when everybody start to work. The daytime, I forgot, bright in the morning, you can get your stuff done and head home to your house. It's not like what it used to, and I'm telling you the truth. Who want to listen to me? Who don't want to listen to me? And all the while, I for go to comedy, but me I tell you straight. And all the while, you go get that out of me, people are planning to kill people on the internet. A lot of them planning to kill me. A lot of them waiting for me to die right now. Someone will come back on my page. They are just waiting. When they couldn't get me enough, they will send one boy for me. They send one boy for me. And I'm a goodie this and a goodie that and a goodie, and I take time I come around me. And me I watch my man, I say nothing to him. I could have blaze man say, listen to me, man. But me not say nothing, make him go on. Me I wait upon the time when he's saying ready for me. And then me just learn him the news. Alright? Trust me. God is not sleeping. Alright? And your mind is not sleeping either. And the faith you have in God never sleep either. Remember me tell you, out there, this is kind of earlier, upon this internet, yeah. When you spread out, that's when you meet this and somebody look money, man. You don't know who you meet. You do not know who you meeting. Alright? So stop, go up on Facebook and Instagram and all about and meet, man. And make you run Ghana their yard. Stop, do it. Stop, meet up with people out the road and run Ghana them yard. Alright? Because they say they have money. Money don't own your life. Money don't worth your life when you're gone. I remember it was last year sometime. It was last year sometime. I saw this black girl. And she went to meet these guys. Right? I don't know what if in Jamaica. I don't know where it happened, but it happened somewhere. She go meet the guys them. If you go dance for them and all kind of sitting for make money. But if you remember that video, they're good. Alright? That shit started long time. The shit are going from with you. And when she go meet the guys, the guy and things here, one guy, around 4 of them in there. Alright? And none of them never black. Them from my area where they come from. And so when they do to the girl, they make a girl suck off the whole of them there. And then sodomite her in every part of her body and say, bitch, you thought you was going to come over here and take my money, right? And spit on her face. The way them do the girl, the way them do her, I'm sure so when they do them all those stuff her out. Because the way them do her. And she a cry, them take her off the wig and dash away and all kind of sitting. Then do the rush. She say, oh bitch, you thought you was going to come and get money from me, right? All my friends drag her by her head and do all kind of sitting. You still think a joke? Or not think a joke? Then one and next look a young girl. She have her phone and take picture look good and then catch her. You understand? Some one of the man go friend her up man and tell her she look good and catch her. What then bring her down the bush and what they do? They make she put the phone on top of her head, don't? And then take one big piece of stick and lick it down in her head. And you see when she flatter like fowl, then take a big piece of plank and boop, and make she put the phone on her head and bust through her brain with it. She just flatter and flatter until she dead. She kick up dirt and everything. And then put it right on the phone, you can't see it. It was all over Facebook and everywhere. You understand me? Me not skin teeth with no Dranko. None of you me not skin teeth with. So no man no think so no can catch me. If you go nowhere, I am not going. I am not going anywhere. Nobody can carry me out, go buy me food because she don't go in restaurants. Say, good evening, I want to carry you somewhere, go buy this and that. Me not going nowhere. If me tell her, yeah. Me have good intention, I'm not like for that, but I'm not because I don't trust people. Me really have, come go with a couple of my fans in before I eat with them. Me do not trust people. And one of them carry me out, go eat with them, and me know what's her problem. And I was like, you know what, let me video this. Maybe that's why she never really deal with me no more. She was doing me so good, And she's like, come we go eat, and every time, and I like, I don't really want to go. But you know want Miss Fan feel bad, and so I go. And when me go live, and the woman vex. Vex because I go live, because I stay live for the whole entire time. Yeah, even if I'm live, we don't know. It's like, if I done, next time don't go live when I go eat, and and she vex, don't go live. Why me not go live? With a strange person eating, me have to go live with the audience. Because I never really want to go, But that's one or too far from my house, and I'm being a nice person. You know what I mean? Come on. Why would you be upset if I go live? Why the plan to put something on my food or something never go the way you plan? Me not understand. Me not understand. Or I show me eat or me eat. I mean, always eat for a long time. Me not go change. But it's a serious thing, man. Out here getting very wicked, man. Very wicked. Very evil. And if you don't pay attention, you have man out there, ex-boyfriend, when want them back with you, you don't want them. All that ain't carry feelings over. All that. Because you don't want to put yourself back with them. Then carry feelings and old fear. You never know what's going on out there, man. When I saw this shit, it hurt my feelings to see really take place outside. To say, really, people are just killing people just like that. People are just missing and they can't be found. The only person missing, God didn't kill them. So when I look for them and miss them and find them know which part then there. You understand me? Because them kill them. It's a wicked, wicked world out there, man. Wicked world out there. Trust me. I don't want to feel sad and shit, but I tell you. It's just the way it is, man. Wicked. These young people need to get a grip of them life, man. These young people need to get a grip of them life. And understand so you can't just walk around and kill people or plan to kill people for whatever reason you feel or for whatever upset you or maybe something the person say or maybe something you hear when they even go so. You go kill somebody over here, say. You kill somebody because everybody get upset. People just to me all the time and I'm upset. I can't kill them. I can't kill them. You just got to move on. It's life. Shit got to happen to test your faith. It's just a part of life. You're a human being, But you still got to move on. You can't get up and kill people. And take him a joke. Because you're satanic. That's because you're evil. And you're always going to be evil. And all the ones who join together and say it's okay to do that is because you are evil as well. And when, evil person always click together. You find good together and evil together. Always. Always. Because the evil person is not going to tell the evil person, say, man, that's not right. I'm going to say, yeah, man, you're right, and put him because them evil just as much. So the only way they can strive and to be strong and into one group because they all are evil. So when you see evil people in group talking bad about other people or putting them down or trying to get picture about people and put up people pictures of them ugly and do all these things, they're evil people. And when people are evil like that, they go to any length to destroy you. Look at this woman that was living here. When she came here, everybody know when I came to this place, how dirty this place, the kitchen and sitting was. Because them did live in here. One guy was living here. When we come out, I couldn't believe somebody could live in here. Them out of dirt on the floor. You could have planted corn in here. And even the living room, I go out there and fix it up and scrape out all the dirt and the gunk and the sitting there. Clean up all the kitchen and paint it over them. So I paint up the purple, you see the paint up the and all the sitting there. But in the bottom of it, had in the cabinet, on the two bottom part of the cabinet, they had some like roach powder in it. White. So I say, oh, poison, because it was a lot like when you throw flour. I wash it out and wash out the whole place. But it's a bad idea coming to roach and come back up in there. So, that is the situation. I'm out there, clean up the sitting and I fix it up and shit. But after me, they try the boy, them try to destroy everything, dash with the spark and spoon, and everything dirty up in there. Nothing can stay. I say, I stop fight with them. I can't have that bother with it. Just keep my bed clean, keep my can surrounding, clean the bathroom, try to do the best I can do, I was doing that till the other guy left. When Miss Little Muffet, she come here now, and she come here, and she realized, she start, we couldn't get a chance to clean up the whole place like the place was supposed to clean up. Remember, so when all the guys them gone, I was going to clean up and do everything detail to detail properly. I couldn't get a chance because she moving before the other guy even move out. Now, when she moved in, the place wasn't perfect. Like me said, the guy never move out yet when she moved in. She come and start. I couldn't get a chance to clean the place because the way she started to carry on. I map out the living room and map out the kitchen and clean up the kitchen. The woman go in there and take cook food and dash it on the stove and all them sitting underneath the grill and sitting and left it there. Behind the stove, she dash food. When I go out upon my plate, them couldn't use the plate. I go out the wash and pack up all the pot, them she take dirty sitting and dash and like dirty water, some germs waters and well look dirty. All the plate I wash and put them up, I find dirt and kind of sitting there. I wonder what the hell is going on out there. So I realize that the woman I do it. So I realize, you know what, I got tap now because she called the cops and the cops said to her, said, why she never clean off the stove after she see the place look so clean? She stopped, can't fight with the woman because she got there and dash things out if you make fight with me if you send me to prison. So I feel left it. Now, when we open the bag and show the plastic bag, we open bread crumbs, crush out and grind up in the bag. I say, what she do with that? I don't see a road, she a breed. Because she knows that she can't go live here no more and she was looking for something to make a problem. She crush out the bread something them and dash them underneath the shelf. Because I say the exterminator come here just weeks ago when she started making a problem. But what she do, she cut out the drum and throw it in the container and try to breed up a roach in the house and throw it back at the fridge. Roach, she breed up whole heap of teenager roach because she feed them every single night and day. Because she have a plan. My furniture, something out in the living room, smell so stink when you pass me. I wonder what smells so a roach breed up in it. And if it show up because they a long time for me used to come and me young. One next piece of that made have what is up on the TV and I made that shred that too. Because I smell funny, me take out here and dash it away too. So I tell you, so when the exterminator come, the time when she try to put them on a problem, she call all the exterminator have to come. Then fix over the bathroom, brand new. She take eye mascara, blacky, and black up the whole of the bathroom where the man them just don't do over. Paint up and do over. Because she carry the man go coat separate from the tenant coat before him could have carry her. The woman dash all when they go in the bathroom and shit upon the ground. When she do, she's a toilet and she don't even flush it. The woman do all these nasty things. She start cooking in her room. After I left the kitchen, give her because she wants to make trouble. She never satisfied. She go in her room and cook and dash all the food in the tub in the bathroom. When she done inoculate the whole place, now she come out with her phone and she start to video it. And video me. And said she gonna put it online because she knows she must left here one day. If she say me nasty and say this and that, but the people know say she do it. And she make all that mess. You understand me? So every day she get up now, she looking for something now to see if she can stay along, but the judge never listen to her. And give her 30 days and she had to left before the 30. You understand? Because she want a little dividends for left. The woman mash up the whole place. See all my window, she report my window, you know. Where see my window report there? She report the window. She mash up everything she could have fucking mash up in this place. So she report the bathroom pipe thing. We put the shower at the bottom of the thing, rip it out. We call them and fix them back in. I have to beard from the water run through the bottom part. Because I couldn't get the water for the shower part go up. Because she pop it off. You know? She make up a jug of coffee. A coffee bean. Because she stick the coffee up her body to give herself anymore. So she make her flush out her body, all the shit during the coffee and sitting. And throw it down in the sink, in the kite, in the bath, in the kitchen. Stuff up the sink until it's full and float over. All them things. She wreck the whole thing. And when she done, she call the inspector and say the place not good enough. For sure the roach and say, I said roach I breed up in there, you know. So, you know, until a couple of days, I move my bed in the middle there. That's because the place a treat. I don't want my bed in the corner because I don't want a roach. I don't see no whoop a roach in here like that. You know, out of the kitchen, I see, but what happened, I have to treat everywhere around the corner then because I don't wish for that they should have dashed nothing in here to when I now look. The woman is dangerous. So I had to take out the whole fridge out of the kitchen yesterday and treat the whole back of the fridge and all them sitting there like a teenager roach. And that's why I see the bed in the middle. So I can't put the bed back until the whole because I don't want to put my bed and a roach going in the closet here. I make it my clothes and shoes. So if you make sure I put pies in there, open up, then I want sitting, and then we will fix the sealness and move the bed back over. You know, make it truthful and me telling the truth what's going on here. I never know so roach could have breed up so quick. In the place, we see the amount of breadcrumbs, sit woman crush up a freed up roach. I feed them up, I feed them because she knows she ever go away. Wicked. Stand up out the door now, I'll make good, I couldn't get a chance. When I walk in the house, the woman have video me out the door. With me bleaching cream, I get good. When I look the woman through the window, have video me. And she live in her car for so much years. And she's a thief, a criminal. Now, criminals like them, they're not easy, you know, because they come on the internet now. And I'm going to tell people, see, you're nasty. Look what you did and this is dirty. And you do it, bitch. And you do it because go to them seat before you come and me have it clean up pretty and nice in the living room and kitchen and the bathroom and show them score the shit all over the bathroom. But then shit up in there. And you come here now and come talk about you're going to feed me. Say this dirty and you got this. You can't talk anything you want, but you're a criminal. When a man check out your background for thief and breaking entry, you're a long time criminal. That's why you couldn't get no room for rent or you out in the winter in your vehicle or sleep on the roadside. Sleeping in your vehicle outside in the cold. And I said to myself, my God, why would a woman sleeping at the cold outside, you know? Now nobody for help her nowhere. Never realize you're a damn criminal. That's why nobody don't want to in them place. And talk about you get place for rent for $900 and you get no place and your van you could still live. Nobody now gonna rent you no place without the background. And when you check it, I know so you just gonna courthouse with you. And you're a criminal and then you come here and still get your courthouse. Nobody now rent you no place, my girl. Nobody. I want to know if follow back and me stick a letter on my door and harass me. I text a gentleman and tell me, get Olivet out. I don't want her to live here. Get her out. And I will pay you. Get her out. I tell him man all them shit like you know how long many man I come from. From me I'm fucking 20 years old. Fucking bright. From me I'm 20. Fucking bright. From me 20 me I come and say another same word. From me 20. And me I'm 43. Me I come right here so. I don't know. You understand me? I may try to tell you some of them stay dog and a joke thing, man. Wicked people, them wicked. You dress nice, you look good, then eat you. Then wish for years you walk out the road and somebody shot you with up on Facebook Live, you're dead, you're gone. Because they just bad mind. When they see that the casket lie down, that's the only time they get a good night's sleep. The only time them get a good night's sleep because they don't hurt nothing. They get up every day and that's the only time they get joys when somebody hurt. Because they can't feel happiness, they can't feel love. They can't make themselves happy even if they don't know. Not now go and make yourself happy. You know? They can't do that. When you guard yourself and protect yourself from this ignorant man who know I lay down with. Someone have ignorancy. Once you look upon him, you see the red flag. You understand me? Ignorancy. You understand? Some of them is too obsessed. I had up on the train this evening and this young man, him sit alongside me, know what his problem is, this man. Him sit down and he just spread out him like man guard me in the corner. Like say my man sit down. And me watching attitude in two like them. I say, oh, him like spread white like him, I protect me like say me there together. You know, you protect your woman like wide open so me in the corner so spread off. So me watch him. I say, watch him not real obsessed. I mean, I even know him. Anyway, me I get up to go get the next train. And when I get up to get the next train, he said to me, say, oh, it's gone already. You know, it just move off. And I don't come out of the train. And I say, oh, okay. That's the only time I say, okay, come see him long time. I look friend and attack. I mean, I look on him. I look straight on my phone. I look to the corner. I mind my business. Like, me not see him. Me not hear you. Me not talk to you. Kind of why I chat to people. When he's down there, you're not, every minute I hear him, I do that shit. You know? Like, what the fuck wrong with you? You know what I mean? I mean, every minute go there. I know, baby. You know what I mean? Every minute. Like somebody like him, I do something or something. You know? I mean, I said to myself, like, damn, this fucking fucker is really sick. So I come off of the train and make the phone on record. The first thing, before I get upside down, I set my phone and put on record and put it on the video record and hold it to me. Just in case you start following me, start watch back at me. Because something not right with you, my youth. Don't worry if this is the whole night me drink this tongue till the morning, man. I know sometimes yes, I plan for sleep good, you're true, you know. Sometimes I piss one bucket full of this in just for one night. So it depends on how much we drink. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, people wicked, man, good. Me have to tell them the truth, you know what I mean? Making a laugh all the time and give comedy is one thing, but me gotta tell you that danger is out there. Because you won't be around to laugh if me not tell you that shit. I mean, they hate you. Some of these men, they hate you because you have vagina, because you have two older one them have. I mean, that's the reason why you're going to hate a woman, because she have. Because this guy definitely hate me today, because me have two old. Because he's going to tell me, my old better than you, I'm so better than you, this big black tall guy. I said, man, move from you, go put on some panty and move from you, man. I say, I got on something, look, I'm boss so warm up in. When I look at everything in front of me in my face. I say, yo, take a catches cheese thing out of my face, my youth. But the training was real bad and a lot of kids in training, and they want to carry on bad, man. I just make him go on. You might cussing out, hey, like you want to do something. You want me say I want to do something, motherfucker? You want to do something? Sick, man. Sick. I mean, nothing wrong to the guy, and I was really nice to the guy. Imagine, right? The guy is sitting there, and everybody's space, and nobody not sit down between the space. But I never know why people not sit down there. Even why they not sit down there, but I never know. You know what I mean? So I was like, excuse me, and I sit down. When I sit down, now I saying, get up and turn up. So I say, you ain't got to get up. He's like, it's a bit tight there. I say, I'm too big, sorry. No, I'm too big. I'm a big guy. I know that. I said, hon, I didn't say that you're big. I said, I'm too big. So all right then. I heard what you say, bitch. You Nicki Minaj. You look like some fucking Nicki Minaj. Dragging this and that and start cuss me. Sounds like all up, man. All up, dog. I did not do nothing to you, man. I just be nice to you, my nigga. I will just be nice to you, man. Man, I'm having a bad month or a bad week. I said, man, but if you're having a bad month or a bad week, ain't nobody do it to you. So why you doing that to other people? Come on, man. You can do better than everybody got bad day and bad week all the time. You can't be getting a bad day, but you take it on me, my nigga. Come on, man. That's not right. Bitch, I say, all right. I said, listen to me, man. This nigga needs some drawers or what? I say coming like a bitch. Yes, and I got a tussie too. And I can fuck better than you. And my pussy's better than you. And I can suck it better than you too. On the train for the kids, And I was like, this grown-ass man. Looking like a pastor telling me that shit. That boy, the world is really going to the end. I don't want to laugh tonight, good enough. It's not even fucking laughing. Because I was mad as hell. I was mad. I could not fix that nigga right. I couldn't even argue with that nigga because he had too much tongue for me. But it's just that fact that a lot of kids in there, I respect the kids, man. Even some of these kids ain't got no respect for their own mother and father by the time they're 5 years old. But I still respect kids, I'm telling you, man. That shit is crazy, my nigga. Straight, man. Don't fucking put no skeleton over here now. Come off of this blood clot, can you see me? Me give everybody a chance. So me have to say I leave them alone. Me no block nobody. So don't come by here with no nonsense. So if you don't understand, get off. Me not disrespect nobody. It's just the fact. If you don't understand, what is saying to complain? I am not going to change the way I talk because that's the way I talk fast. I used to eat a lot of full ass when I was young. And that's a full ass. The full ass in the chicken back? Sweet. Some part of the fat part of the eye come out right there. So, Mr. Nyama that a full body. So make it chat a lot. You eat full ass, you chat a lot. Well, you don't know that. My grandmother used to let me eat full ass all the time. And I used to finger them just to get eggs. So don't ask me why I talk a lot. But I speak the truth. Stop trusting these niggas, man. Go into the house. First of all, you're one girl and you see a nigga, you like a nigga, and you go to the party, you end up drunk. When you go in that bed and the nigga bring you that dark room and the animal sex, and you say the nigga is coming for second so quick, and the nigga is coming for third, that's because of him and him friend and they on top of you in the dark. You trying to think of him. Him and him friend them. You know what I mean? Him and him friend them. One time I met this guy, I never forget. I met this guy in a club one time. I met that galang for hook up. The time in a strip club and sitting. And when me look at him alone, I and him friend them did them if me get some bunks. Bunks, nigga, you have to bunks hell out. Y'all think it's a joke, man. Thank God you can laugh and life is beautiful. You can eat and drink. I mean, in a rich man on money, but me can't find it. If I have some pack of oat noodle, me have this, so on, and so on. You know what I mean? Me not dead and so on. And so on. And life is beautiful when you have life, man, Especially you don't want to die it sinfully. You want to, if you die, at least you don't worry when you die, you're going to heaven. Nowadays, you get time to get beg God pardon before they kill it. Then you can snuff it out of your quick before you could have beg forgiveness. Just be careful, man. Don't pick up them niggas, go to them clubs, man. You get tipsy, man. You know what I mean? That's a problem, man. When they finish with you, sometimes you can't walk. They just snuff you out and dump you because they don't want to go tell. They don't want to go telling nobody, man. Make sure you're not around, my nigga. I love you too, man. Yeah, them a pre me, but me I watch. Them a pre me, but me I pre them too. You see me go there. T-shirt, them a pre me, but me I pre them too. Them a look the way there, and me I look the way there. Trust me. Yeah. Wicked them, man. Want kill if just for nothing at all. I want come put on smile like you're afraid of smile or you love man or your man can catch you with them face or them cocky. Please. The amount of that shit me taking on my body, me don't need no more for now. Body get tired, beat up on that shit. Me can relax now. Me graduate from cocky school. I stay there. Me can relax. You see me? Body can't come catch me like me want man or my friend for man or a man. Me I look like I'm nice to my audience. I just like to nice to my goodies and my aisle box. Or come to watch me and do that for me. Me just come and be nice to them. I don't look nobody, man. Because you may look a joke with somebody and they might get light and things. Say, oh, she look smarty, man. You know, make me carry her so me come goody. Me I go so me not go nowhere with nobody. Oh, so your mama, me not go nowhere with you. Go with your mother and go with your family. Me not go nowhere with you, no. No, a wicked and murderer. Set people up and kill them for no reason at all. For whatever reason you want to go but clap, make a sacrifice, you can make a bag of money, you come and take people out just like that. Me not like my nigga, me not unite, man. I'm praying on going to my bed and sleep and dream, man. God show me a lot of stuff. Oh, God show me a lot of shit. I ain't smoked today. I ain't smoked today at all, boy. I need to quit smoking. Not me not smoke today at all. Yeah. Well, good you know what show me attack. You have some other niggas that want to come here and they want to know where you live. This nigga meet you want to know every time. For so you meet somebody nowadays they want to know exactly where you live. For what? I come for someone buy me food one car, put up one Indian boy in the car, so light skin one. Tread him. How you doing? I love your hair. I love it. You may have on the wig and sitting this tonight. I love it. I say thank you. Where do you live? First thing he asks. Are you on Instagram? Me say yes, but me I go up on them more so. And for them I make us go up on Instagram because they think they can join up on Instagram and go in your shit them, you know. They when they can itch on real quick. But I realize as soon as the Instagram show me it, my phone go off soon as them do that. Some of them company thing and I follow them put you fi hook up and follow them inside my shit where they're not supposed to be. But as them do that, the phone go off, peep, and me see me just touch one finger, peep, spam, and it gone. Don't do that shit. So it peep and some peep. Don't do that. I mean, this African lady see on my line, she made her today, she's like, whoa, you look so much beautiful in person than now the thing is. And she said, I never left comment before, but now I'm going to do wow. And she was surprised. I don't look as bad as all the camera look. I mean. Sometime, but not all the time. Why me and like this? Because, oh God, I'm going to get burned the time. I'm going to cook the food and I get the burn. Is it black on this? Big black on this. Oh girl, my old pants, yeah. Foolishness I'm going to buy before. What kind of foolishness I'm going to buy? All cheap pants. How much are they for? $20? They're not even good. Then stretch, I put them on for 50 and then stretch it down and I fuck them around. Go. Stupidness, man. Wicked people there, man. And I want to see it die. Just want to see it just like that. You know what I mean? Just wicked, man. Just wicked. Call as much as you fucking want to stop me through the night. Maybe so, no? I'm not call until I get tired. I phone the strength to use a dial my number. Trust me. I phone the strength to know I use. It's not mine. You know I kill me. Keep dialing it. And I see him obsessed people. I call back. You know, good. Trust me. Same number. I'm not dying tonight, love. I'm going to bed. If me walk and me stop and me come on Franklin this evening. I'm going to buy a bag of ice. I'm like, I say, hi, you know, because I'm always see me some old shit up on my head. And I flip-flop walk up and down. And then see me now, hey, buddy, you call me and shit. You think me I walk back there, so? Hey, say, yeah, man, me soon come, man. Come. You say, yeah. When I come, I cut to the next street and cut to a son, cut to a son, and cut through so and cut through so, and I gone. I reach home. I now walk one place when a crowd of people array and come back and I say, yeah man, I wait for me to come back. Boop, I'm not coming back. I'm on the next side of the street, gone, cut to the next street and disappear and gone. Wait for me as much as you want. Call who you want to call, set up who you want to set up. I won't be coming back on that side. Yeah? Well, you call me so much time for some foolishness. Bet you not call the person now, 3 times the person call me. And I bet you not call them now, I something else. Watch this. And later was at 9 or 11 o'clock now. No answer. No answer. Tell about them people stacking me think I drop me on me. I'm tell about them people, man. I think I drop me and make goodie. Whoa, it about them, man. I can't get no peace. So I'm gonna answer. I cannot get no peace, girl. They want me badly to suffer. The Lord says, no, you're not gonna suffer, Olivet Smiley. They want to snuff me out. They want to see my breath left my body. No fucking way. Not yet, my nigga. Not yet. I don't want to plan. Me soon, no. Me say, I want to send for come collect me, but you no wrong. Me say, I want to send. You no wrong, man. Wrong collector. Wanna collect me life, but you're wrong. Wrong, man. Wrong to ass, boy. And what happened to the people that make them want to kill you? Child, I tell you what. Pray to God and be careful with your children. When they go to school going out and when they coming in. You see, pay attention to your husband and see where he's up to. And all these things. Because this world today is not like how it used to be. You see, child? Some of these people are very ungrateful. They don't want to get successful. They don't want you to sell a buckle of cream. They want to block you. They don't want you to be on if they can't run your life. They don't want you around, you know. They feel if they can't use you enough for them this blasted thing. Well, let me tell you something, child. And at the same time, water got pumpkin gut before pumpkin got rotten. Listen to me good. Stop trusting people and trust them like a dirty bitch you call your friend. Some of these bitches are not your friend. When I smile with you, they look like this. They want to kill you. But if you don't sit down, someone who love company too much, girl on the yard as man in light. Whole bunch of boy, whole bunch of girl. He say, she say, pull out of that shit. See, I stick to myself. No girl can call me name. No boy can call me name. Nobody can put me in a mix-up. I live it always by herself in a room with Berry or something. And God. That's how me live. Stop trusting people with your life and your children's life and leaving your children with ex-boyfriends. Leaving your children with stepfathers. We're abusing you. We're beating you and stabbing you. And you have the nerve if you're putting them behind with him. See you're gone or feel much you owe us. Someone will come back and kill after all of the fucking putting them burning all the house. Stop trusting these motherfuckers. We have no soul. Stop trusting them, man. God is the only person you can trust. Is the Almighty God. Nowadays, you can't trust your mama, you can't trust your papa, you can't trust anybody. Some of the old good one we have from way back when you can't trust them. Otherwise, you can't trust them. Some of these women nowadays, they are so evil that they will send them own pitney out to come kill your child. evil people. You have evil mama too, you know, evil sister. You have evil family where it's only evil them deal with because of pure blood running them vein are evil. They're born with evil blood. They have no choice. As you talk about that, I'm going to tell you a story because I'm going to go. Now, good night. I love you. I'm going to go. But I want to leave you with this. I was watching a movie. You know, I like to watch African movie. And I was watching this movie where this girl, the two girls was best friend. And as I'm talking about this, it remind me of that, you know. There was two best friends. And there's a guy met one of the light-skinned one. The guy meet her and like her off. And start, you know, give her up gifts and everything. And the black one with the light-skinned one, it's one of my best friend. I tell her, say, you know, about the guy and I talk with her about the guy. And she said, the guy called you again? And she said, yes. And the girl gone to the kitchen, got the pot a bun up. She cook something and she got it on the stove. And by she left the next one going there. The next one go in there, if you cut it short, the battery go. Next one go in there and take out the number and call the man. You know what she do? She take number and start to call the man and she go ahead and poison the girl. And tell the man, poison the girl. And when the girl spirit her aunt her, she call the man and tell the man, say, she feeling sick and something or go on, blah, blah, blah. If you could have stayed with the man for a while. The same man when she poison the girl over, you know, because she want the man. She poison her own best friend. And go her house, go live with the man. I end up marry the man. And friend come back and cry to her in spirit and say, why? Why you is my friend? Why? You know? She had run the ghost like, go. Girl's like, why? When she turned, she couldn't take it her aunt her. She did still decide to go marry the man. But fear mama had a husband. And the husband that her mama married, the husband was married to her first wife. And when the wife did fall out, so I married to the second wife, which is a black, which the next one, her mama, almost the same thing. And what happened now, in go and bring him back the first wife while he married to the second wife, and the woman started to mistreat the man, first wife, so bad, it was my wife in the house. And then she go through some woman, go tell the woman, oh, the woman pregnant and this and that. And the friend tell her, if you go to the road, go breed, make other man breed you then, if your husband can't breed you. And make him think of your breed, can have the next woman a breed in there too. And she got breed out the door and come back in and must have 3 picnic from out the door for get the man for say she a breed. And the next woman drop in the kitchen and a ball and labor. And the woman wouldn't help her. Make she turn in there a ball. And the woman go over man for tie the baby in her so she have stillbirth for the baby can't born. But the blood of Jesus saved the woman. That when the dopey then come when she not birth, the dopey couldn't tie the dopey first face get burn up. And go back report to them and say, man, we couldn't get the job done. The woman, I didn't think a boy pitney, a girl pitney, woman did have. Long story short, woman and pitney them grow big. The same woman now a fear daughter that will keep eyes in the girl. The same woman, whether treat the woman bad, and go obey woman for the next wife, a fear daughter that now, when poison her best friend and married to her best friend husband. Runs in them blood. And when she do all these things to the poor woman up and down, she hear the woman and her 2 big sons them attack. Because the woman get 2 sons for the husband and live in the same house. And so on, them a plan for go out. And she go take powder and sprinkle the woman door. And when the woman walk over, the woman drop the woman legs and hurt her. Sick like a dog, the woman couldn't move. For draw him for call her son and send the sister say, Mama is sick. Mama take sick real bad. You know? And her son say, well, he's coming. And when the son come, because that son had the blood of Jesus upon him, boy, the boy was real anointed. And the boy started to pray for his mother and heal the sickness till his mother could be able to walk. Because the island poured out the woman, sprinkled the woman door. And the woman go up and set up for man kill her woman's son them. She hear them plan for go somewhere. And she go for go plan for kill them, to see what time the man left for go to the car for kill them. The woman's son for no reason at all, just carrying this envy because she was born wicked. You understand me? But when she had tried to do that, it couldn't work neither because the blood of Jesus up on the youth them. Couldn't work. She, you know, when the spirit come up on my road and they stop the car and say nothing couldn't happen. And they end up go them way. She go back again and say why our son-in-law lose him job and losing everything. Him losing everything because the girl we're married to him kill the girl we're supposed to do with. But she don't see that way. She don't see that way. She decides to, well, you know, are the woman fault. Are the woman I work some obi, are the same woman. Because she not like the woman, it's one of my wife in her house. She go and pay the man them for chop off the woman head. I said, chop off the woman head and bring the woman head to it. And that to make her get back a job and everything will up flourish and running again. So you go and pay the man them to chop off the woman head. Now, she was going out. She planned for them come and kill the woman because they couldn't catch the woman's son. She was going out, and as she going on the step, you see, she slipped. Just like that on her foot and couldn't move. Just like we should have tried to the woman. She had a piece of pain, you see. She couldn't left the house. She was on the way to left the house because remember I said the people and where she and her son-in-law planned to chop off the woman's head is going to come. And that woman alone supposed to be in the house when they come to kill her, you understand? She alone supposed to be in there. So when she was leaving now with one of her evil daughter them, she fall on the step. She couldn't make it in her foot, so we carry back in the room. So the woman now and her son them was gone through the door. So the same person now, son-in-law, will pay for chop off the woman's head. The boy them never know. So when the boy them come at the house now, then go up the step and broke in and kill the gate man. And go upstairs and get upstairs. And when they get upstairs, them find she. Them take a machete and chop off her head. Them take a machete and chop off her daughter's head. The daughter will kill the friend head gone. The wicked mama gone. Take off her head and put the egg in one bag. When he go now for the son-in-law now, say, you know everything is done. Him say, yeah, everything is done. So when the son-in-law, when the man give him the bag and get the son-in-law the bag, he must say, man, you just killed my mother-in-law. He couldn't believe. He couldn't believe. So you see, evil deeds always come back to come get you. Evil deeds are something that always come back come get you. Remember me tell you that? Always. So, now what about wicked people and evil people? Don't worry about wicked and evil people. You understand me? When that woman come on the line, sometimes you think it's a black woman cussing me. It's a same white woman. She's obsessed. I tell her she make her 20, 50 profiles. Some black, she make another one. So when you all see people on here arguing sometimes, do not call their name, people. Do not call their name. Do not write any name about anything me see and black them. Do not give them the attention that they need. If somebody come on the line and carry on sometimes, no text and say, black this person and this person, no, ignore them. Now, it's the best thing is to ignore a person. Then come on here and attack and I try and make trouble to ignore them. Nobody not write nothing to them. Nobody not say nothing to them. Me not say nothing to them. Not say nothing to them. They will get tired until them left. They are just waiting for someone to get attention. When that woman used to be here, she's so sick. She put a mask on her face and walk up and down the road. Right? She up and down the house phone. She said when she left her so done, me want to sell her back like cream. She do anything to criminate me for make a place so dirty and look worse than what it is and say. She do anything because she knows she cannot live here. You understand? She cannot get away, so she's gonna do anything that she can. Remember people me want no one telling you. She gonna do anything that she can. And of course the place was so clean today because I'm tired of go there and clean and she just sitting on it. And after a point when the cops they come so many times. I decide, I just lock my door and bar myself in because I can't go out in peace. So I just lock it up, lock myself inside, buy my food out the door like me show, no? Stop go out there and cook, and sit and thing. That's what I had to do. My belly was so big, the woman pies me so much time, she put so much on my food. I remember my gut. I don't know my belly fat, right? I don't know my belly fat, but remember my belly there way up here so. Remember my belly there way up here so and it come out. Up here so and then it shoot out. You can't see it for yourself. So my fat, but I saw my belly stay. See there? See the difference there? Well, I come and show up online. Look up on all the outfit that I have on. How big and swell my belly is. I can't put a bucket of water in here. She chilling all the lock off of the door. And when you put something in your drink, you taste me sick like a dog up in a minute. And the woman come me sick so till. And I tell me just tell myself, I just dead and done. Because I can't take it. Pies me. Put it on my food, make me go 12 big. When I look, I can't go to the bathroom, go do, I can't peep nothing. But when you put a clog up in me inside, clog you up. Me all out there and lock my pressure cooker pot and I cook peas. To make the soup and lock it and she lock it off. To make the steam come out so she can't ever go to do what she want when she done. When I go out there, it off, put on so. Done, put what she want, put in it and do what she want to do. That's why my belly was all the way up here. So it never natural. It wasn't a natural thing. You know, so nobody belly I get high from up and get way up so high up so. That's what it used to be. You understand me? Wicked people them. Wicked. And I saw a dirty stinking brazier where she has a piece of old thinking dirty brazier. Me ever run 3 of them, bitch. Nasty. Piece of old dirty all nasty. Me take stick and take them out and put my fucking garbage in the bathroom. Dirty all sitting each up with someone with a thread soap. Can't buy a properly brazier. Can't buy a brazier if you take fucking needle and thread. Soap some piece of old dirty sitting. And the woman like she not beard. They want to the brazier dirty and frownsy and think. It's like she not beard for days and weeks. How the fuck you gonna wear a brazier so dirty and stink like that? Her bra is so nasty and stink and dirty. You know, for a woman, if you don't see a woman brazier could be that dirty. It's like a junkie, like a crackhead out the door. Them some crackhead cleaner that they not do it. She not talk dread. Anything she have come with a try, you know, she come back and look free and still end up with almost $700 when she left here. A criminal. Anyway, she go and move in and she done spot out the place and see the place have something what she not like. And she'll go up in there and then she'll get the law upon him. She's not paying again for next 7, 8 months. Trust me, she's not. That's why she go up in a people's place and fuck it up and do all kind of something with it. And then she call the inspector. Imagine, the place was so clean and she has screwed up till cops have come. Next you know, inspector come. She start call the office for the building every minute. The people of veterans say, miss, do not call this office harassing the people. They don't want a man for losing apartment. A lot of shit you do here. Yo, that is the creepiest person that I ever see in my life. You can dare say no for you quick. And by you look at the crease of the door, the woman upon her knee at the crease of the door, video me through the hole. Take out the thing and pull out the hole out of the doorknob hole. The hole sitting and I video me through there so. Very nasty person. Wicked. So, let's have me gonna know. Take care of the children, take care of yourself. Me I go in my bed now. Love you now. God bless you now. God be with you now. YouTubers, big up yourself. I'm gonna put this video back to YouTube. So YouTuber, I love you. I know it's not real. It's a thing. YouTuber, I love you, YouTubers. Yeah, so I'll get you something new tomorrow, YouTubers. I'm gonna put the antibiotic on my eye and I'm gonna come for wash off because I so still itch. I mean I want like put on the makeup so I'm coming to wash it off. Alright, so I love you guys because I don't want to keep it on. My eye broke up in a bigger trouble. You see it's there now? So that's why, yeah. I love you guys and good night. Keep your children close. Keep the person you love close, your husband. If you have a good husband, he might make a little money. He might not make a lot. But you know, him yard him a go on and you love him all and pan him same way because money is not all. You can't get a man with a lot of money with him attitude stink. Most of them have money, they treat you like shit. They treat you like a fucking animal. You know? No matter what you do, them treat you like dog. Most of them have money, they treat you like dog. You know? So I tell you that straight. You know? If Vinci boy never have no woman and son, me and him that's still there. Can never have no money but me comfortable with him. You know? And so. It's not money, it's not all. Make sure you're comfortable, man. Hug you up and kiss you. Feel comfortable at night time when you sleep. You wake up and make do what you have and just believe in God. Because everything of this world, for you to have a whole lot of it, and then just lose your life real short, it don't make no sense you put your life now and get a whole bunch of candy full up your hand and then you're dead. It don't make no sense. So just take what you have and be easy with it. Life is not everything about glamour and glitter and that. Sometimes you have nice things and I don't even put them on. You know? You know what I mean? I feel all comfortable like this. You know what I mean? It's not about life. Life is real life. Love. You understand? Think about people's feelings. Think about God most. Because without God, you can't do nothing down here. So, because down here so stagnant right now. You need something to help you. Something to help you just to get by. Get by the days. Get by the hours. Get by the time. Because these people is not very good. You see me? So you can't left a yellow heart. Big up yourself. If I you a long time and I see you. But if I you this, well, big up yourself, mama. God bless you too. You see me? You're a pretty girl, so watch your head too. You see me? Nobody come fucking hurt you. Because you look good. And then wicked and then bad mind. All bitches too. Not allow them close to you. Friend up with a bitch. Friend up with a bitch. You understand me? Friend up with no fucking bitch. You friend up with God alone. You see, have friends you can friend with, but certain way. And you cut it. Don't go too deep. You hear me tell you? Don't go too deep. Because everybody will go too deep. As they mountain and turn them fall out. Yeah, me come in your yard, and your drawers dirty, and me come in your yard, and you this, and then nobody will bring nobody in your yard. Don't bring no girl in your yard for come throw Obi under your bed, throw Obi in your house, mash up you and your man, then come with Obi and mash up your life. The man will eat you like he never see you yet. Trust me. It's a terrible, nasty thing them do. I see anybody get an island powder and definitely take your finger and sprinkle powder and oil. My girl, God, not a lot not part to do with you. Like your old successful you want to be, you must fall. Because life, you're just traveling. When you don't on earth, you travel. Like you travel from city to city, you travel. When you're dead, you're gone back one next place, you're gone again. So you have to be nice. You don't know who you go dead and see, you know. I can have somebody pan you and me pass and gone the same person and show me when me dead off to make it through the next world, you know. Life never stop like or who not take it. You know, see everybody who gone never come back and say they ain't sad yet. Never once. Alright? But stop trusting people in life. When it's time for God to take your life, God will take you home. In peace, in one piece the way and put you upon earth, one piece and take you back. Stop make a girl put them goat and stop make a girl put them roll, you know. If a girl put them want for roll and think she big and she bling, you don't have to put up no blood pressure and all that shit. If you ever put her into a home, whatever you got to do to save your child, you got to save your child. And I'm telling you, because it's a war out there, a silent war. And if you now want me here, if you see it, it can't happen to you. Now, when me go up on the road now, doing my videos and them, I have to be more careful and think, because today I'm seeing more and more stuff. And I'm seeing how envy people can be. And also, sometimes I go live certain place, I go live certain place. Only some place I go live. Because the reason why I go live certain place, if I know somebody go a certain place and people in life and definitely, I don't give them no time. If you say, all right, then she'll go there so, and she'll go reach a certain time. I don't give them no time. So if I go live and I go a certain place, I come off and say, guys, I get back to you later, I go and come back and I come back on live too. No. I go definitely say, I go do such and such, and I go live and I do such and such time. Nope. Nope, you can't do that. Because people are watching your live, you don't know who watching you. I say, okay, she'll go so. My youth, you over the corner there, where you there? Yo, me have somebody that come to the area there, you know. So and so and so. You hear me? So and so. I saw them shit the work, my youth. I saw them shit the work. When you're using live is good for a lot of things, but it also could cause your death. Just remember that. So I love you. God bless you. And tomorrow, say your prayers. Pray to God. Don't worry about the ones who hate. Don't worry about the one in our life you live. Don't worry about them and when they see it themselves, because them born with black blood in them, like black ink, and then just can't do no better. Alright, God bless you, I love you, and so on. Yes. Yeah, big up all yourself, man. I miss Vinci boy, yes, but I saw you go. I saw you go, you know, never really pretty and ain't sitting about him funny sometime. Man, him really click good, it's funny in that way, you know? And so, yeah, me used to ball at night time when I wake up. Me used to ball like, night time. Every time I do that, I make it so hug me up back. Yeah, because every time I that me do. So anytime I turn and I hear that, he make it so hug me back up, because you know, see, at that, you know, like a baby, a Usher baby. Yeah, me used to like that. Yeah, goody. I miss that, you know. Yeah, man, every time I turn and, you know, I make it grab me, you know what I mean? Yeah, hug me up like a baby, a hush. You know what I mean? I miss that a lot, yeah. It was real cool and shit away from the problem with these bitches, man. Motherfucker, I should have fight for him, but I still don't fight for nobody. Galang with the roach and rat and this and then Galang make it hammer that the disgrace you put me through. I go like me at the worst, you know what I mean? I couldn't bother with that shit. But, yeah, I respect him still, man. I love you too. Good night, okay? Mwah. Good night. Say your prayers now. I'm going to drink some more of this shit down, my nigga. I might, you know, I find out, I don't smoke for a man, so I can't find it, you know. What time am I going to do just a couple of squats or something? Yeah, I try to find the next African movie and so I go on with that. Put it on a big speaker sitting here and stuff, I can't hear it. Sound like a surround system. I so live my life, you know, go there and make my life enjoy. Nobody can snuff my life out of me 4 times. Over the fucking stupid music and all them shit that we got now go. That not problem. Nobody can kill me for nothing. Take it and go along. When I take it and go on. So enough of them try to stop me, but they can't stop me. My talent too powerful, them bad mind for my talent. Because I can't write song and sing. Somebody can't write song and sing, and somebody can't write song. They're not a fucking melody. Sound stupid. Yeah. So they're not a catch to it. You know, it's just flat. You know, make no sense. You know, I love you. Listen, Goody. When you faster than, we are talking about body little. So body little, I mean, have a small hole too. It's not about the size, about your waist. I don't run nobody because of body. The waist. And I don't know nobody cause on a body. But I get a small body that better ways, you know what I mean? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, one life you have to make yourself happy. You can't do with a man with a small body, you love him same way. Even though he can't pipe it the way, because it's not about that. It's still not about the flesh. It's about how you feel about the person. It's not about the size when they have. The size when they have now make you feel no different. Because man have a big sitting and you don't like him. You could have big like a damn elephant chunk and you don't like him. So that's how it is. So my customer saying body little, it's a fuck up and tan so. If I talk about one video, me upset and me talk, me get something for repeat back on this ass. Oh, you stay so. Why you make a chat so much? So my customer saying body little, me tell you say body is not size, not nothing to do with nothing. So what you repeat it for? Your customer saying body little, then your body never big. Never say it big. So I don't nothing new here, so but why you repeat that over and over for cause of what me say? Me say even though me have Vinci boy was like me still miss him. Okay, done. So what you say? Why you do that for? Why you do that? Suppose man watch it now. You think you don't like what you say? Don't do that, man. Don't fuck up my thing, my dog. Don't do that, man. Don't do it, goody. That's not nice. Come on, man. You're supposed to be my goody. If I tell you something, don't repeat it. Why are you repeating it? I thought we was good like that. Come on, man. Why you do it? I love it too. I love you faster. Don't do it, man. Don't fuck up my thing like that. You see me? I don't go back there. So you must say mad to blood clot. Me eye full of water now. Yeah. Don't do it, man. I love it too. Send kiss in the house. Really, send kiss. Big up yourself, send kiss. Yeah, me I don't forget about all them place there. I send kiss. Mwah, kiss for you. Yeah, big up yourself. So no goody. So you make the remarks. No one you make a nasty face like, why you doing this? Why you making that face like a chop? What happened? Man, you look attention, big pussy girl. Come on for this, man. You too much fucking chance now. Where I don't know. Maybe nice to you, lol, or you still coming the same shit? Why you be like that? You can't appreciate somebody being nice to your big old girl? Eh? Because you're old big and a small one, when you fit in it, you take it tell me. Man, go on, man. Go on. Now you start make all kind of face. Go on, man. That's not nice. That's why someone who black me just make me unblack on the more, I'm gonna stay black. Trust me, because I'm being too nice and just fuck up sometime. Not no stink over here, my beard. Not no stink over here. Not no stink over here. You need a timeout, man. You need a timeout right now, boo. You gotta take time out, okay? Because you're getting fresh, you're looking for attention. I'm sure say your attention, you look not right here. You look like the big wearing pussy girl from you. Because she same one this. That's not smiley face. That's why like something nasty. Don't do that, man. Oh, my girl and Mimi Malcolm. Mimi! Good body girl. Her friend Mimi. Mimi never get to talk at the roach and the bug and that bite me for the whole house, yeah, man. I couldn't talk no more. I have to go. So that's why I never hear from him. I'm stressed out. But me over here now, a different side. What go on Mimi Malcolm? Mimi, my girl, Mimi. My girl is pretty blood clot girl. Mimi, what go on, girl? I don't forget you, boo. I don't forget you, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, big up yourself. You hear me? Mimi, Marco. Yeah, big up yourself. Goody. Always love and respect, you hear? Because you know you tune in sometime. Last time I see the I said, wait, no me that. Yeah, girl. Brat and bug my bite over there so we couldn't talk anymore. I threw me to the one room, nigga. I gotta go. But everything worked for the best, right, Goody? Everything worked for the best, man. I love it too, mama. No, they go like, yeah, you want to smile if you like, yeah, that's not fucking smile if you my idiot. Don't do that, man. Me love you, don't do that. I me. Yes, boo. Don't know what I want. No, me I got my bed now. It's too late. Me love you now. Yes, Yellow Heart. Big up yourself to baby. Love you. Yellow Heart look good to you now, friend. Good girls, them. Pretty but with good attitude. Yeah, Goody, love you too. Nose I run now. Like some of the juice kind of my nose and I run back out. Yeah, I know. Ah? What the hell is this here? What is this? One more unblocker? Again? Who is this? Some losers. Ain't no shit on my line. Stefan Brown, shit. Ain't no shit on this line. Take this disgusting shit off my line. What you putting shit on my line for? Your mama crotch full of shit? I think your shit come out your mama when you was being born. Why the fuck you have so much shit on here? Your shit come out your mama ass? When you been born in your face? Because you put the shit and then you put a head. So when you was born out of your mama, she shit on your head? I'm so sorry, Stefan Brown. Your mama shit on your head? She could have shit in your mouth. What a wicked big body wall woman. What a ras. She was gonna shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Around 15 with that shit by your head? That's a big body wall she shit by your man. Your mother should make a bond like that, my youth. But your mother make a bond like that. That's a girl or a boy. You had to be a boy. You couldn't be a girl because all that shit be still in you. Stefan Brown, your mama shit on your head? I'm so sorry. Why your mama shit on your head? What a wicked bitch. She's a real whore, man. Why she shit on her son's head like that? What? Why your mama shit on your head? Mama, you shit his son's head, man. Oh, boy. I'm so sorry about that, though. Yeah? I'm going to take the comment down just for you because I feel bad for you. You shit on your head. You shit on a little kid's head like that. Shit on their head. You ain't love me. You love me because your mama shit on your head? Because you saying I love you. You love me because I'm saving you from your mama shit on your head. Which one? Because I don't know. Yeah, I love you too, mama. Yeah, Kayla, big up yourself, Dan Foster. You're back again, lol. When I come over, if you come skin me, right? If you come put me in a casket, but in a work tonight, me not dead yet. I don't have to make a long wait for that. Yeah, you on the bed, Goody? Goody, me I come on my bed too, because when I see the bed, me feel jealous. I love you. You kill me drop off of the bed. Goody, me I got bed to Nadine. Lovelies. Nadine Lovelies, me I got my bed to, man. You drop off your bed time, I got my bed to, man. I love it too, man. My nose I run. Go wipe my nose. I love it too. Good night, right? Mwah. Good night. Show the French, big up yourself. Thank you, baby. That's so sweet. You're a sweet, loving heart. Thank you, boo. That's a gentle, nice lady. Jolie French. Send me art and flowers and stuff. God bless you too, boo. Thank you. No dancing now. I'm drinking juice. And the juice kind of like you want bun my stomach, you know. I'm not drinking juice sitting on the Arab food in the bag there, but I eat like lie, but not much, because I late. I eat so late no more. I stop all them stuff there. Good night. Call it good night. Call it good night, baby. Good night, Olivetti. Thank you. Pray for me too. I'm going to bed now. See you guys tomorrow if God give us the chance to wake up. We dance for you tomorrow, Pupan, alright? No. Too late now. But you probably want to rub off your skin now, but it's too late. You're here tomorrow. I love you. Why you gonna cry? Stefan, oh Jimmy, you make me cry. Don't cry because I love you. You send the Lord that shit and I was just asking what happened. Why you wanna cry for? You don't need to cry. Ain't nobody making you cry. You don't know to cry because I love you. That's why you don't need to cry. But you don't need to put a lot of shit in the line if nobody talking about shit and make me think that when your mama was having you, she shit a lot. But I can say if it wasn't so, I'm sorry. But you don't need to cry. Don't cry, baby. Breastfeed, you want breastfeed, you want milk juice, drink this and no ball, you hear? You a ball, come love you, I want that to put on me eye. Why, I'm sorry, what was I'm sorry you cry, and I'm crying too. I'm crying too. You cry, and I'm crying too. Yeah. More infection for me, I don't it all. What is man? No, Olivette, you're good enough. You run off your eye now. You're being in and brush your teeth, and you're drinking sitting, so you're going to have your brush your teeth, you take a dirty spit and prepare. Oh, golly, Papa need royalty. Go you too, I can't talk about royalty. Look like old wild post. I'm going to take all your royalty. You already take the royalty. You take the juice out of the man and so go the whole of your royalty. That you take the whole of the royalty. I couldn't believe me, you know, man said, did she even go there? But I'm going to take all your mirror. Saw that in a plan for a long time. Eh? Woman, you look like a last crackhead. Take which royalty away. Oh, Lord have mercy. She have a nerve. You know the poor little man come out of the bush and see the man on the gully for so long. And the mother try to get thing and run, come with your old salt. Like when my mother used to send me to buy a quarter pound of salt mackerel. And then come back and talk about royalty. Only your royalty right in your drawers. Where your royalty there. So you go take the piece of old dead fish or old dead, with dead old beat up old sick fish. And take it and get royalty out of it. Ross and if you want not now go out with mine then. Not a thing I go on with mine if you can't get royalty. Baby, if you can't get royalty, hey, me can't get Buckingham Palace. Who you to? I have to royalty. I'm going to wash your ears, say. I tell them when you licky, you love money, you do any blast the thing until trap catch you. Good night, child. I am sitting on my royalty, so good night. I love you.